Hello and welcome. I'm finally doing one of these cool things, collabs that I was talking about in the last video. And this here is a Steven Universe fan art collab with the wonderful Rabenkatze. I know that's another confusing German sounding name like mine, but yeah, we just have that in common. And well, the story is, I think we met on Nasreen's live stream and talked about stone paper and that she wants to try it out, and I'm probably gonna do a review on stone paper. So I sent her some and we decided to just turn it into a collab art swap thingy too. Because if you send one letter, why not just put two things in it? And she hasn't drawn or painted White Diamond yet. I haven't either, and I really, really love her. For everyone who hasn't seen the episode yet and watches Steven Universe, please just do it. I'm trying to not include more spoilers than this painting. But she's so wonderful and I like her and I want to see more of her, so I had to do this fan art. I think I would have painted it anyway, even if there wasn't a collab / art swap. Yeah, that's probably all I have to say now. Oh yes, of course I'm gonna put her links down below, her YouTube channel, but also her Twitch, you know, that thing, and Instagram, because as far as I know she uses that a bit more than YouTube. And please go check her out because she has some really nice artwork, and as I'm recording this I have no idea what she's going to send to me because we have a holiday right now and I'm not gonna get any mail. I think I can go check later. But this is just me painting without knowing what's going to come. And I'm using watercolor paper. I think it's the Fabriano Blocco per Artisti, also like in the last video, but the larger one that is not as rough. It's still hot press, but not, you know, what is it, cold press or rough? I have no idea. It has a bit of a texture, but not too much. The paint or the paints are the White Knight's paints, and I mostly used black. I think I only used black. The silver lines that you will see in a bit are by Fine-Tech. Then there's also a bit salt involved and fine liners. Yeah, that's all I have to say about the painting. Maybe something interesting about White Diamond herself, which is not a spoiler. In an interview, Rebecca Sugar, who is the creator or writer of Steven Universe, said that her design is based a lot on the drawings of Nell Brinkley, or Brinkley, I think it's Brinkley. And I just looked up these drawings and it's so accurate. They look beautiful but also scary, and in my opinion, White Diamond is also beautiful and scary. By the way, here you can see me drawing the silver, whatever that is that's coming out of her arms, maybe some sort of cape or attachment. It looks pretty neat. You can't see it very good from this angle, but I can tell you it's so glittery because Fine-Tech paint is too intense to handle, which makes it perfect. Yeah, here you can see it a little bit. So I wanted to make the galaxies in the background to still be seen, but you also know that there's silver stripes. And that's it. Thank you for the collab, Rabenkatze, and thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. Bye!